Place your left hand behind the man's neck on his shoulders. You're with your left side to the man. Bend your knee, reach with the right leg backward, then shift your body weight to the right leg, keeping your right knee bent. The left leg is straight, direct your hips up and tilt your upper body backward, looking at the man. Bend your knee more, push off the right leg to get out of the pose. During the dip, the most important thing is not to lean on the man too much, pulling him with you. Try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Now the man's perspective. After the lady's rotation, connect your feet, shift your body weight to the left leg. First, reach with the right leg to the side, bending your left knee at the same time, but without shifting your body weight. Push off the left leg to shift your body weight to the right leg. Keep the right knee bent, left leg is straight, keep your back straight. At that point, tilt your upper body to the right, keep your spine long, left elbow is away from your body. Push off the right leg, shift your body weight to the left leg, and immediately start leading the lady to your left side around yourself. Stay on the left leg facing the lady, and we're going to go away from each other with the dynamic accent in the music. 7, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, stop.